Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at WEBADOR and Wix to see which website builder is better for you. Now I have here the pros and cons, so we're going to take a look at them. First of all, we have WEBADOR, which is best for beginners and solo entrepreneurs needing a super simple website. They offer drag and drop builder with blog and e-commerce tools, very beginner friendly with fast setup, and affordable pricing, includes free domain on paid plans. The downside, limited design flexibility, no advanced features. Overall, great for quick, no fuss websites. Then we have Wix, which is best for small businesses and creatives wanting more design control. They have over 900 templates, advanced editor, Wix app market, built-in SEO, bookings, e-commerce, marketing tools, and much more. The downside is that it can feel overwhelming. Performance varies by design choices. Overall, better for professional-looking sites with more features and scalability. So basically, these are the pros and cons. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.